I've teamed up with Smart Energy GB to get festive food ready for a cheeky dinner party with my mates, saving energy in style with the help of a smart meter's in-home display. For these banging bellinis, drop your batter into a hot air fryer for 5 minutes because your air fryer will make the party prep quick and easy. Then stack them up with beetroot hummus, cubed beetroot, mackerel, cream cheese and salmon, and they are delicious. For quick and easy wontons, add minced pork, prawns, onion, garlic, ginger into a blender, blitz them up, wet the edges of your wonton pastry, and then make these adorable little parcels. Then get them into the air fryer for 8 minutes. They're so quick and energy efficient, and I can keep an eye on how much I'm spending on my smart meters display. And they're delicious. For a cheeky potato croquette, get your Stilton and bacon into some mash, have a cheeky bite for yourself, I'm not sorry, and some brie and cranberry into some more mash, and then get rolling. Look at those beautiful little balls. Then cover them in flour, egg and panko breadcrumbs and then into the air fryer for 10 minutes, and you can serve them up with a bit of Stilton, bit of cranberry, bit of sage, and it's a delicious energy efficient spread for your festive celebrations.